to the Bank of Time Go Programming series. Today we're here with Renee.
Hi, everyone.
Today Renee is going to learn how to write and run her own Hello World program. A Hello World program is a simple way to quickly learn and test a computer's language. It is a basic program that prints out a simple message such as Hello World. It's a great way to make sure you've set up and learned the basic concepts, syntax, and structure of a program and can help lay the groundwork for more complex projects down the road. Okay, are you ready, Renee?
Yes.
Great. The first step is to navigate to the Go playground at play.golang.org. Then go ahead and press enter. Great. This page has two main sections, the code editor on the top yellow panel and the output console on the bottom gray panel underneath. In the Go editor, you can type in Go code. So in this tutorial, we'll be doing a simple Hello World program. So Renee, you can start by highlighting everything on line 8
Okay.
and go ahead and delete it. Then type what you see here on the screen. Alternatively, you can copy this line from the description. So Renee, you can start typing in lowercase fmt dot capital P R I N T L N. Great. And then we'll do open parentheses, quotation marks, hello world, close quotation marks, and then close parentheses. Great. And now on the top right-hand side of the page, go ahead and click Run. And as you can see in the output console, it printed out woof woof. And that's it. Congrats, Renee. You've now successfully written and run your first Go program. Now we'll be going over what each part of this short program does. So Renee, if you look at line 3, you'll see the words package main. Yep. The package main portion is a specific part of the Go language that tells the program that this is an executable program and part of the package entitled main. If we were compiling this, this would typically be the entry point of our application. So if you go now to line 5, FMT is a Go library that contains a bunch of code that helps us with formatting our inputs and our outputs. We'll talk more about how to work with imports and packages in future videos. Now, if we look at the code we added on line 8, you'll notice that we have the println function. The println or println function is part of the format package, and it will print out whatever is in the parentheses. In this case, it prints out the phrase woof woof or hooray. And that's it. In the next video, we'll be diving into the different types of types that are used in Go.